Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samira and I hope you're all doing well by God's grace. Today I want to share with you this quick delicious chicken recipe. Okay, this is my go-to. Just if I don't want to do any work, any type chicken business, this is what I do and it is ever so delicious. Trust me, it's so good. So join me and let me share this simple and quick chicken recipe with you. Okay, you will love it. I don't have a name for it, but it's just chicken. So stay with me and don't forget, before you go, just like this video. Okay, like this video, share and subscribe if you liked it. Okay, so let's get in. So first of all, let's go through the spices. Okay, so I have some onion granules, garlic granules, ginger powder, chicken seasoning, any chicken seasoning will do, peri-peri seasoning, chili flakes, some rosemary, salt to taste, and I added corn flour. Okay, I also later added ground black pepper. Okay, so yeah, that is what I've just added. I nearly forgot it. Okay, so this is just a combination of spices that I have in my cupboard. Okay, nothing fancy, so you can just put together a few ones. Like if you don't have all of it, whatever you have, I'm sure it will still be amazing. Okay, so I always call my chicken before I put my spices on it, and that's what I just did. So I pour some of the spices on it and I'm going to leave some, and I'm adding some olive oil. Okay, this is how I used to do it, but now what I do is I pour the olive oil on the chicken and rub it all on the chicken before I add the spices, so that it coats it quickly and nicely. Okay, and you can wear gloves if you want, but I usually use my hands. It's my own food. If I measure gloves, nothing. You can do whatever you want. Actually, it's a free world country. Anyway, so yeah, I let it sit in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Okay, but it was in the fridge for like 2 hours, right? So that all the marinade will go into the inside proper. So it's oven baked. Okay, oven baked chicken. So I'm setting it on my baking rack and I'm going to pop it in the oven for it to cook like 25 minutes. Okay, at the top, and maybe 10 or 15 minutes at the bottom. So the rest of the spices, I have just added some oil. I'm going to use that as a glaze. Okay, so now that my chicken has come out for the first time, I'm glazing it with some of the spices that I've added the oil, so that it will look very juicy and also taste same. Okay, look and taste juicy. Okay, then I'll flip it over, right, and then I'll pop it back into the oven, and that will be it, right? Okay, at this point you can still glaze this side before it goes in, right? Or you can just just pop it back in, all right? And maybe when it comes out, you glaze it again, right? Yeah, so that is the chicken. Now this is very easy. The spices, I just pick them and combine them. If you want, you can combine the same, or you do your own. Just this dry wrap is amazing. Okay, so try it and your chicken will never taste the same. It's going to taste amazing. And let's see how juicy it is. I served it with my zongo jollof rice, and look at how soft and juicy that chicken is. It's just perfect. Okay, so quick recipe, right? And you can do it anytime you want. Thank you all for joining me. I appreciate all of you. God bless you, and I'll see you in the very next one. Bye.